Step 1. Open the packaging carton. Shown in the video. Step 10. Assemble the aluminum clamps as shown in the video. Step 11. Apply the foam tape to the truck bed rails. Step 12. Push the canister to the front of the bed and straighten the cover seal. The installation result is as shown in the picture. The product is centered on the truck bed, and the rubber seal is free of wrinkles. Step 13. Insert the T-bolts into the bottom channel of the side rails. Step 14. Attach the assembled aluminum clamps to both sides of the truck bed. Step 15. Install the black nuts as shown in the video. Step 16. Tighten the aluminum clamp bolts. Step 17. Tighten the mounting nuts. Step 18. Install the drain tubes using the provided accessories as shown in the video. Step 19. Inspect the interior of the truck bed after installation as shown in the video. Installation complete. Test the roller shutter to ensure smooth operation without any jamming or resistance. Product showcase.